Evening. This is Craig Double. I'm in the January 2018 Chemistry 121 section Oscar Lima 010 Thomas Edison State University chemistry class. And I'm going to show you my Lab 7 pre-startup, or correction, my Lab 7 pre-setup. I've done my pre-lab questions here, but it's pretty straightforward. It asks you to draw an electron dot diagram for methane. The eScience Lab page has everything you need to enable to answer the two questions that are on the pre-lab. If you need further help, you can go online and just type in how to draw an electron dot diagram for methane. There's some help on the internet as well there. All right, for Lab 7, you have an Exercise 1 and an Experiment 1. For Exercise 1, this experiment, we just create the models to explore the formation of covalent and ionic bonds. What you're going to need for that exercise is the 14 pieces of 3x5 rectangular corkboard, the 12 colored push pins, which are actually non-colored, 84 inches of yarn. I have a periodic table. It's the same as the one in the front of the book. I just got it when I ordered some extra beakers early on. I've got my ruler. My camera is going to be my phone. I've got scissors and my permanent markers. And you'll need permanent marker for both the exercise and the experiment 1. For experiment 1, I've got my gloves, safety glasses. I've got my chemicals. Those are going to be sodium chloride, stearic acid, sucrose. Also have the sterno. I've got my ring and ring stand. I've got my spatula. I've got my metal forceps. Got my matches. My scale to measure my chemicals, 1 gram each. I've got my 3 aluminum cupcake wrappers, and I've got the 5x5 inch aluminum foil sheet. All right, and that's what you'll need. And then I also have my wristwatch is going to be my stopwatch or my timer, and I've got extra paper towels ready to go over here. Kind of give you a little view of my setup here, but that's what you're going to need for Lab 7, Experiment 1, and Exercise 1. In the experiment, we're going to be looking at the melting points and types of bonds. That's all I got. Have a good evening.